Hi, today we are going to examine watermelon farming Excel financial model. In order to examine this model, we are going to go through 7 different sheets. Please note that these peach cells represent input or assumption cells and the gray cells represent linked cells. Starting off with the assumptions sheet. The assumptions sheet shows all the assumptions that we have made for the business. Any business using this model can change these assumptions based on his or her business needs. So as you can see, we have made assumptions for investment, loan, capital expenditure, cost and revenue assumptions, payroll assumptions, and even operating expenses assumptions, both variable and fixed expenses. Moving on to the next sheet, we have revenue analysis. Now we have included revenue analysis both annually and monthly. We have not only included revenue analysis but also production budgets analysis and also cost of goods sold analysis. In the supporting details sheet, we have added monthly analysis of expenses such as operating expenses, payroll expenses, as well as schedules for depreciation and loan amortization. Lastly, we have added the working capital analysis as well. In the next sheet, we have added all the three main financial statements, that is income statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet, both annually and monthly. The startup summary shows all the total fixed expenses and the total funding in the first year of business. It also shows the graphical representation of the comparison of total expenses and total funding, as well as total variable cost and total fixed costs. In the financial analysis sheet, we have added break-even analysis, sensitivity analysis, project evaluation, and financial ratios. The break-even analysis shows the calculation for break-even sales, that is, when the business has reached the point of zero profit, no loss. The financial ratios shows all the main types of ratios such as solvency ratios, liquidity ratios, profitability ratios. The project evaluation shows the calculation for the net present value of the company as well as the payback period and internal rate of return. Similarly, the sensitivity analysis shows what happens to the financials of the business if a certain financial is changed by a certain percentage. Lastly, the dashboard is basically the graphical representation of all the financials that we have calculated in the previous sheets. That's it from today. Thank you.